Today we'll convert the ellipse equation 2x squared plus 3, y squared minus 8x plus 6, y plus 5 equals 0 to standard form, and find its key attributes. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's group the x terms and y terms separately. We have 2x squared minus 8x plus 3, y squared plus 6y, plus 5 equals 0. Now, let's complete the square for the x terms. For the x terms, we take the coefficient of x, negative 8, divide by 2 times the coefficient of x squared, which is 2 times 2, giving us negative 2. Square this to get 4. Similarly, for the y terms, we take the coefficient of y, positive 6, divide by 2 times the coefficient of y squared, which is 2 times 3, giving us 1. Square this to get 1. Now we can factor these as perfect squares. We have 2 times quantity x minus 2 squared, plus 3 times quantity y plus 1 squared, minus 6 equals 0. Add 6 to both sides, and divide all terms by 6 to get the standard form of the ellipse. Now let's create a diagram to visualize this ellipse. The center of the ellipse is at the point where x minus 2 equals 0, and y plus 1 equals 0, which is the point 2 comma negative 1. The semi-major axis is in the x direction since 3 is greater than 2. The vertices are at x equals 2 plus or minus root 3, y equals negative 1. And the covertices are at x equals 2, y equals negative 1 plus or minus root 2. Finally, let's plot the ellipse and label its key attributes. The foci are located at x equals 2, y equals negative 1 plus or minus root 5. To summarize, we've converted the ellipse equation to standard form by completing the square, found its center, vertices, covertices, and foci, and visualized all these components on our coordinate system.